SoCal approach, Spirit 11 is established in the hold, currently booked at 9,000, and we would like to have ones at 8,500, ones at 9,000.
That's fine. Am I showing your wingman's already at 85?
Spirit 11 copies all. Thanks.
And you're showing any traffic off through our independent traffic spots?
We're considering affirmative. It's a flight of 2 B-2s gonna block the 9,000, 8,500.
Okay, I want to make sure that's what we were actually saying. Thank you.
Sorry, looks pretty cool.
It's written all, but it's good. 1-1 and 1-2 traffic about 8 miles south of your position, westbound 8,500 indicated type unknown. 1-1 and 1-2 traffic about 6 miles south of your position, westbound 8,400 indicated slow mover. Okay, Spirit 1-1 and Spirit 1-2 radio check. Traffic alert, Spirit 1-2, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles, westbound 8,400 indicated, radio check. Spirit 1-1, SoCal approach, radio check.
SoCal approach, 1, David Charlie.
Spirit 1-1, Roger. I was calling earlier for that. There's some traffic. There's a target out there. I'm not sure they're going to climb back up, but about 2 miles southeast of position when the ring 7,500.
Spirit 1-1 is searching, confirms 7,500.
Spirit 1-1, the traffic is at 7,500 maneuvering. They're about 3 miles southeast of your position. Earlier they were at 8,500, so I'm not sure if they will climb back up. That's okay.
Copy on. Will you advise us of any changes in that?
Spirit 1-2, previously called traffic at 2 o'clock as you turned about 5 miles east of your position. It looks like they climbed up, slowly climbing out of 7,800.
Alright, Spirit 1-2, heard a little bit of that. Say it again.
1-2, it's Spirit 1-1, and previously called target is 12 o'clock as you turn, it'll be about 4 miles north east of your position, maneuvering 7,800 indicated.
1-2, copy. Is it headed in our direction?
It's Spirit 1-1. I'm sure they see you guys out there because every time you turn back towards them, they descend. So right now, it looks like they're slowly descending.
SoCal approach, Spirit 1-1. Do you have an update on that traffic lost visual with him?
I was checking in.
Approach, Spirit 1-1 was checking on that VFR traffic.
Okay, Spirit 1-1, they're still north of you now, but they're moving away slowly, descending out of 6,600. We don't factor that.
Spirit 1-1, copy, thank you. SoCal approach, Spirit 1-1. Do you need a call out when we're about to, or one of the jets is about to pitch south towards the road goal?
Spirit 1-1, traffic about 9 o'clock, about 5 miles northbound, maneuvering 9,700. We're moving northbound.
And Spirit 1-1 is searching for that traffic, and just for your essay, number 2 is going to be descending shortly for the flyby and flying southbound, and then I will be departing VFR to the east, north of the mountains.
Spirit 1-1, Roger. You said Spirit 1-2 is descending first?
And sir, only one aircraft is doing the flyby, so Spirit 1-2 will be descending for the flyby at 4 after, and then I will be departing VFR to the east-northeast.
Spirit 1-1, copy all. Spirit 1-2, multiple targets, 12 o'clock, about 5 miles between 1,700 all the way up to 4,500. That's going to affect you.
Part of the Link Beast will be BFR and then eventually doing the number 2. Thanks so much for the help today. Happy New Year to you guys.
Spirit 1-1, thank you. Happy New Year to you, too. Spirit 1-1, Joshua approach on 124.55 every day.
12455.
Lookout approach. Spirit 1-2 tapping 6,000 for 10,000.
Spirit 1-2, SoCal approach, roger. Did you resume on aviation? You're heading towards Pullman?
Spirit 1-2 be headed toward Pomona and then out to the east to rejoin Spirit 1-1.
Spirit 1-2, roger, and you just want 10,000?
Spirit 1-2, 10,000 for now.
Spirit 1-2, contact approach 125.5, happy New Year.
125.5, happy New Year.